Hello, lovely people. You're all welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be looking at significant figures. Significant what? Figures. Firstly, let's look at the rules that will help us in solving the questions. Number one, all non-zero digits are significant. All non-zero digits are significant. An example is this. We have 647. 647, they are non-zero digits. There's no zero there, right? And how many significant figures are there? There are three significant figures. 1, 2, 3. Number two, we have zeros between non-zero digits are significant. Zeros between non-zero digits are significant. An example is this. If we have 5004, how many significant figures are there? There are 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The zeros in between are significant. They are counted. They are what? Counted, because they are in between non-zero digits. So therefore, they are counted. And how many significant figures are there? There are 4 significant figures. Now let's look at number 3. We have zeros to the right of a non-zero digit are significant if a decimal point is present. 0 to the non-zero digits are significant if a decimal point is present. Let's assume we have 654.0. 6544.0. We find out because of the decimal that is there, there are 4 significant figures. 1, 2, 3, 4. The zero here is counted. It can also be called a trailing zero. We'll call it trailing what? Zero, because they are at the end of a number. It is counted. Why is it counted? Because of the decimal point that is present. Assuming we have 650. Assuming we have 650, there is no decimal point there. So the significant figures here are 2. Why here is 4? Because of the presence of the decimal. The zero that is in the trailing is counted, but the zero here is not counted. Why? Because there is no presence of any decimal in 650, but 654.0, there is a 0 there, right? Let's look at number 4. We have zeros in front or to the right of a non-zero digit are not significant. Therefore, those zeros are merely placeholders. They are just there. They are not significant. An example is 0.00645. How many significant figures are there? There are 3. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 significant figures here. Because these leading zeros, that is what we call the zeros that are starting, the leading zeros here, 1, 2, 3, are not significant. Therefore, they are not counted as significant figures. So here we have 6, 4, 5 as a significant figure. That is 3. Just keep on. We want to solve more questions on significant figures. So when next you see it, it will just answer the question swiftly. Now we have, how many significant figures do we have in these questions on the board? Number 1 is 5003. 5003, how many significant figures? From the rule, remember that the zeros between non-zero digits are counted. They are significant, right? So since they are significant, we have 4 significant figures. We have 4 significant figures in that number 1 question. Do you understand? The number 1 question will have 4 significant figures. Let's look at number 2. How many significant figures are in number 2? It is only 1. Why? These are not counted. They are trailing zeros. We call them what? Trailing zeros. They are not counted. Reason is because there is no decimal. So we have just 1 significant figure here. We have just 1 significant figure. The trailing zeros are not counted. Let's look at number 3, 600.0. 600.0 How many significant figures are in 600.0? There are four significant figures. Why are they four? Remember that these are also trailing zeros. They are trailing zeros, yes, but because of there is a decimal, there is what? A decimal. That is why they are counted. So we'll have four significant figures for number 3. Let's look at number 4. These are called leading zeros. They are called what? Leading zeros. Zero before the numbers. Though there's a presence of what? A decimal, but they are not counted. They are just merely placeholders. They are just there. They are just merely placeholders. This is not counted. So we just have only 3 significant figures because they are not what? Counted. Let's look at number 5. Number 5, how many significant figures we have? This is not counted. This is not counted. Though they are zeros, but they are not counted because they are leading zero. This one is an in-between zero, a zero between non-zero digits. It is counted. This is a trailing zero. It is also counted because of this decimal point here. The trailing zero is counted. So therefore, how many significant figures? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and therefore we have 6 significant figures in this one. We have 6 significant figures. now let's look at this. This is the activity I will be leaving you with. We have 7,250. How many significant figures are there? In 0.076, how many significant figures are also there? 30,050. How many significant figures are there? I want to see the answers in the comments if you actually joined in this lesson. Hope you enjoyed it. Join us more for more interesting videos in our next classes. Bye.